Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video, and welcome to part 1 of 3 reasons why your coffee might suck. So basically, we're going to be talking about the 3 steps of making coffee, where you get your beans from, the roasting of the coffee, and how you decide to extract the flavor from those coffee beans. So to begin with, if you're totally satisfied with the coffee that you're drinking now, whether it's Starbucks, Dutch Brothers, McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, U-Band, instant coffee, whatever, then there really is no need to go any further. But if you've ever wondered how far can you take the taste of a coffee bean, how much better can it be, then you got to get to third wave coffee. And one of the most important characteristics of third wave coffee is basically treating a coffee bean like a grape to wine, really narrowing down the area where you get that coffee bean from. So instead of getting all these blends from regional coffees like, let's say, Latin America, Asia Pacific, and Africa, it gets more specific. So if you want to think of it as a funnel, you got the regional coffees up here, single farm estates, single farms down here in the middle, and your microlots way down here at the bottom. And really what third wave coffee is trying to do is eliminate all those different variables that can get into a coffee, because the process and harvesting is all different, and that can contribute to a lot of distracting tastes from the actual coffee. What we're after is the taste of the actual coffee bean from one area. And that's exactly what you're getting with a third wave coffee. They're trying to remove all of those variables that can cloud and really confuse the taste of the actual coffee bean. Essentially, what we're trying to do is get everything to be the same, right? The same climate conditions, same soil, same amount of elevation, same amount of sun and rain, same amount of trees covering the coffee trees, same picking process, same process in drying the coffee cherries, same process to extracting the coffee beans. As many of those things as we can get to be the same, the better the end result, the more consistent and more even the taste is going to be in the end product. So the next question is, how do I know I'm looking at a third wave coffee bag? And it's pretty obvious. There's just way too much information on it. On the front of the bag, it'll say something like single estate, single origin, microlot. It'll tell you what type of bean it is, where exactly it was grown from, country and the specific region in that country. It'll say elevation, grade, just way too much information. It'll look entirely different than your standard Starbucks bag. And the great place to start is check out GeorgeHowell.com. That guy is the godfather of coffee. Also check out Barista Hustle. And once again, guys, remember, if you're happy with the coffee you're drinking now, then it's no big deal. But if you're very curious as to how far you can push a coffee bean, get into the third wave. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out part 2, where we're going to be talking about the roasting process. I'll see you in the next video.